about me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Curly Kenny. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are returning Curly, thank you for coming back. This here is the Curly crew. If you want to join, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't be afraid to hit that like and comment on the section below and let me know you're here. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve this wash and go. I used some products that I have not used on camera before. Oh, and before I forget, I do have a discount code, 15% off if you use the code Curly Kenny. So don't be afraid to use that code. If you don't know what to try, I would try the curl stimulator first. Good cream and curl stimulator is what I use in the video. I would try those first. They are amazing. They melt right in your hair. So as you can see. So before, so I decided to film this. This is how the look came out. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload from me, Curly Kenny. Join the Curly crew. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you all for watching. I love y'all. Peace.